Oh, hi there. My name's Andy Cook and I'm a butcher, full-on butcher at the new venue, the Butcher's Tap Marlow. This industry has been in my grandfather's and father's generation for many, many, many years. So it's the only thing I've ever done is being in the butchering industry, going back generations, third generation. We've gone back to being a traditional butchers, which the public of Marlow have been absolutely overjoyed, and the feedback I've had is absolutely humbling and mind-blowing. And I've sourced all the most incredible quality meats, as in traditional beef, pork, lamb, game. We've been open now 9 or 10 weeks and it's absolutely gone wonderful. I've known Tom about 10 years. Started supplying from the West Country, hand and flowers, and then eventually the coach at Marlow, and then he introduced me to the rest of his team, and it's just been wonderful actually, because I've become very friendly with the whole of the group. I didn't consider it a risk at all with Tom's incredible business mind, and the actual concept of the plan that he came up with this just blew me off my feet straight away, of joining the pub and the butchery together, which is absolutely so unique in the country. When I first arrived, I had to see what the Marlow public would like, and so I've got in the most wonderful quality products, and very traditional in the sense of beef oxtail, beef shin, beef short ribs, or also known as Jacob's ladders, skirt of beef, also known as bavette or anglais, and lamb sweetbreads, and lots of offal. All those traditional cuts have proved incredibly popular. Like the customer base has been coming in saying, oh, I haven't seen this for years and years and years. So it's taken off massively. And then incorporated in with very much modern day butchery, or certain cuts from that, and wonderful manufactured products that we produce from our own meat. I do only stock Scotch beef. I've worked very closely with a company called Longcroft and Old, who buy it from a company called Stoddart's in Scotland, and they get it direct from a farm called Henderson's Farm in Dumfries. And I get the consistency, it's all hand-picked out for me on a weekly basis, and I get the consistency in the breed, which is Herefordshire Cross Aberdeen Angus. It's all beautifully marbled and all grass-fed, without any question. But this is the best beef that I've ever sold in my life, and it's been proven with the comments that I've had, the feedback from the customers in the Butcher's Tap have been continuously saying they've never tasted any beef like it. And it's so humbling and it's so lovely to get that feedback. And this beef is then dry aged for me for 28 days, and then I finish it off here. And it's just simply incredible beef. And so we'll be moving forward consistently on that. The Scotch beef that the customers are buying for us, basically it's steak all through the week, very much the traditional cuts of oxtail and shin. And then it leads up to Friday and Saturday, where it's your traditional roasts. The success is we've gone off to a really good start in building the trade. It's gone on really, really well, and hope to improve that in the future. And it's an absolute pleasure to work with Tom and his group, and Green King have been absolutely fantastic. And it's just such an exciting concept. It's just a pleasure to come to work every day in this atmosphere. It's wonderful.